in Technothinkers. Last time we dove deep into the world of ChatGPT, but today we are stepping into the future. ChatGPT-4, the evolution of conversational AI. Okay. Before we start into the complex things, for those new here, please make sure to hit our subscribe button and like our all videos to get the insightful tech analysis on YouTube. Okay. So before start ChatGPT-4, let's introduce our last video. Let's recap our last video, ChatGPT-3. So ChatGPT-3 is created by OpenAI and it have around 175 billion parameters. So it can generate text, so like answer questions, write essays, providing explanations, even hold conversations, right? And it's basically offering the future communication or problem solving, like we can say call centers, right? To provide a right answer for a query of customer. Okay. So yeah, so what's new, what makes ChatGPT-4 stand? So first intro of ChatGPT-4. So basically ChatGPT-4 is also released by OpenAI, or it's as name suggested, it's a next version of ChatGPT-3. It's like comparing a supercomputer to its powerful sibling, right? Same as with ChatGPT-3, but more refined, right? Or it can comprehend and generate human-like text for a wide range of tasks such as content creation, code writing, complex problem solving, right? It's also impact it impact industries by offering a formatted contextual outputs, or we can say contextual interaction between human versus machine, right? So now we can check what is the new feature, what the difference between ChatGPT 3 and 4, and what makes ChatGPT 4 a top, right, stand out, we can say. So ChatGPT 4 features. So first feature is improved training. So first of all, ChatGPT 4 has undergone enhanced training with more diverse data, so make it response more accurately or refined than ChatGPT 3. Okay. Then second is higher capacity, right? So its model size is bigger. So as I said, ChatGPT 3 has 175 billion parameters. So it's the ChatGPT 4 is bigger. I'll explain in next slide. So meaning it can understand and generate more complex sentences also, right? Because ChatGPT 4 has more knowledge, we can say, than a ChatGPT 3. Then third one is better error handling. So like for example, I got mistakes, I got syntax errors, right? And they happen, but ChatGPT 4 is better equipped to handle and minimize them, right? It automatically resolve the syntax error in its backend before giving the answer, so it will check better than a ChatGPT 3. And then the fourth one is contextual awareness, better grasp of context and more in tuned replies, right? So yeah, so basically more in tune means ki, so it's the replies are more in tune with the ongoing conversation, right? It's like it's ChatGPT 4 knows what you are talking about by your previous context. And then fifth one is plugins. So ChatGPT 4 comes with some plugins, so we can reduce our extra efforts, right? So I'll explain plugins also. Don't worry. Then ChatGPT 3 versus ChatGPT 4. So it's a, we can say, model size. So ChatGPT 3 has 175 billion parameters, but ChatGPT 4 is 100 trillion parameters. So you can see this is smaller dot is ChatGPT 3 and the bigger circle is ChatGPT 4. So that's how big the ChatGPT 4 is. So now you can get the some instance. So now we can actually where we can use it, ChatGPT, its use cases. Let's discuss its use cases, right? So first use case is education. Like imagine a virtual tutor assisting you with your studies, right? Anytime, anywhere, whenever you had some doubt, you can ask and it will resolve your problem. Same with content generation, right? This content generation, like writers and creators can use ChatGPT to brainstorm and to get what is going on in market, right? Then third one is gaming. So need an NPC in your game, ChatGPT had got your back, right? You can use ChatGPT to get more insight from your game. Then business customer support, like as I said, uh, ChatGPT can ensure your customer are always taken care of. So like we can say ki it supports. So like I just put a, a customer support as a ChatGPT-4, so it will resolve the query in more contextual manner, right? So that customer get a better experience. Then third one is healthcare, fourth one is healthcare. So like in healthcare, ChatGPT can provide therapeutic conversation. A step forward in telepathy can can give more insights from your reports, right? So, and third one is programming. So it can provide you the codes in any language with uh, less errors, right? So ChatGPT can assist developer by suggesting codes and fixes or explaining errors, right? And also can summarize, explain, and deep dive into the various subjects also, right? And for example, then this entertainment, right? So ChatGPT also can crack jokes, right? And can give provide you fun activities, provide you new gaming ideas, right? Okay, how you can play a new game, right? And then research also. So in research it also provide you with new things which you can try in market, right? That and so now as we discuss use case, how big ChatGPT-4 are, so let's discuss about advantage and disadvantage of ChatGPT-4. So ChatGPT-4 has its advantage and also disadvantage, right? Everything is those two things. So first one is it's a better performance, right? As I said, ChatGPT-4 outperform its predecessors like ChatGPT-3 in terms of understanding and generating text, reduce bias. So OpenAI has worked in previous years on reducing unwanted biasness. Like sometimes I got random outputs from ChatGPT 3, right? And making this version more neutral. It's not like ChatGPT 4 only giving a specific kind of outputs every time. Now it's not biased. It will provide you a neutral biasness, right? Which can reduce unwanted results. Then wider applications, so it enhance capability, open door to a plethora of new applications, right? It provide multiple applications. Then disadvantage is I told you earlier, it's a 100 trillion parameters. So the bigger is the model, become more complex, right? So that that thing, then second is resource intensive, right? So it's very bigger model or advanced, so it demand computational resources, right? So yeah, this is a basic walkthrough of ChatGPT 4. Now let's deep dive in UI, how ChatGPT works, right? So here this is UI. So as you can see, ChatGPT 3, and they said our fastest model. So ChatGPT 3.5, they put the fastest at the time because it's free. So currently they assigned me text DaVinci 002, right? But in ChatGPT 4, like in terms of ChatGPT 4, you have to buy this, right? So it's around $20 per month subscription, or you can subscribe at a yearly basis also. And in ChatGPT 4 there is one we can say not drawback, but we can say a limit. So it's every 3 hours you can only ask 50 you send 50 messages or you ask 50 questions, right? So apart from this, ChatGPT 4 have two things: the code interpreter, right? So like in code interpreter you can see here there is upload file. If I upload some code and I ask you what is the inside in the code, can you explain this code? So if I got some code but I didn't get that much understanding, so I had this problem, so I have to solve this problem. So then I have to upload this file here and ask, okay, just explain this code. Then okay, add the exceptions in the code where code break, right? And those kind of thing. And apart from code interpreter you can use plugins. Okay, as I told you, I'll tell you now the plugins. So in the plugins there are various plugins, so I'll plugin store, right? So here you can see plugins means key. If I want to upload a PDF, then ChatGPT interface don't have the upload option. So in the plugins it will create the option, then you can upload the PDF. In the backend that plugin will iterate PDF in textual format so that it can send to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you the output according. So like for example, this ask the code, what ask the code plugin does, it provide a GitHub repository URL and ask about any aspect of code, right? Same is code paid run code in more than 30 programming language, and let us worry about syncing up the environment. Chat with PDF, right? Chat with everything from entire PDF book to Google Drive document just by providing a link. So these are the we can say so like let's start with some like super fast interactive chat with PDF of any and complete with page. So like I'll add this AI PDF, so it will install so I have to go here, I have to select here, like I used lot of plugins just for testing. So I added the AI PDF, right? So what AI PDF does, it says super fast interactive chat with PDF of any size complete with page reference for checking. So I have to find some PDF. So just I'll write time dilation PDF. So I'll check a reference to this PDF. This is PDF. Then download full text. It's downloaded. Not I want link basically. So this is the link. So I have to paste here link in quotes. Now I have to put slash and slash, and it will indicate it will indicate that I need 2 lines as a separator. Then I'll write explain this PDF and its content, right? Then enter. Let's see what this plugin does. Okay, it says authorization access. So basically the issue is because I have to first sign into this AI PDF site, right? So there are a lot of plugins you also can try. I'll next time I'll create a separate video for plugins. So like I'll give you top 10 best plugins. Like here in all plugins you can see around 100, right? So yeah, let's meet in next video. So there you have it. So ChatGPT-4, the new face of conversations AI video. Whether you are on AI enthusiast or just curious, just drop a comment. I'll create a video for that. So yeah, if you enjoy this, then like, share and subscribe. Until the next time, bye.